The most beautiful thought is the fact that I have always loved you. I so deeply loved you, infinitely. I dreamt in the sound of your voice and bathed in the color of your love. Every cell and fiber of my body understands this to be true, that on the other side of me there exists and always has existed youth.